Here, mushy, 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 mushy. I stinking found some morale. Stinking first morale of the year. Let's go. Heck yeah, look at that. Killing it. Welcome back to Kirk's Outdoor Adventures. Today's episode, we're headed out to the woods. We're going to do some mushroom hunting. We're going to look for some morels. Spoiler alert, we find a few. If you guys got any tips, let me know in the comments below. If you're not subscribed, please go down there and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for joining me on this episode, and we'll see you out there. Guys, I did it. I stinking found some morels. Let's go. I see 1, 2, 3 from right here. It's time to look. Let's go. Hey, come on. Go. That's the problem with taking your dog foraging. He don't know. He's just a jerk. So, let's sneak up in here. Whoa, about to fall down. He literally kicked this dirt up right here. About took it out. So there's 1. There's 2. There's 3 up there. That one's in rough shape. So let's harvest these ones. Best way to harvest a morel is with a knife. You take it, you just cut the stem. You want to try and leave that part there so it grows again. Try to clean the dirt out the best you can. Stinking first morel of the year. Let's go. So guys, I'm just gonna work this hill up all the way to the top right here in this section. So the idea behind searching this area is to think that the spores were up there and then washed down the side of the hill or blown down the side of the hill, and then they land towards the bottom, and that's where they grow, or on the side somewhere. So I'm just gonna work my way up, like I said, checking these mossy areas, looking for some more. Found me a PBR. Found 3 morels. Found another beefsteak. Guess we're gonna harvest it up. You guys ever checked out these knives? They work real nice. Outdoors Edge. The razor blade comes off. It's like a razor blade basically. Super sharp. It's really good for mushrooms. Boom, that's actually a really nice one. I found this area right here where they literally, all the down wood is poplar. The sawtooth poplar, so I hear these are good spots to look, so I'm gonna spend a couple hours just walking back and forth through this area trying to find some morels. So, site 2, let's get her done. Old Coke bottle, 16 fluid ounces. That's kind of a cool one. Might have to take that one home. Can't find no mushrooms, but I found a cool bottle. Just look at all these down popples. There's gotta be some morels out there. Is this not a good place to look? You guys let me know in the comments. I walked out here in this pile. I just asked you guys if it was a good place for morels, and 1 beef steak, another one right back there, another one there, some more there, 2 more there. They're all over through here. But where's the stinking morels at, you guys? Come on, somebody give me some hints. Are they in the same place as these beef steaks or whatever you call them? Let me know. 2 more. These things are everywhere. Here, mushy, 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 mushy. Here, mushy, 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 mushy. Think that'll work, you guys? Call them to me. Some sort of hole for a critter. The heck did I find here? A skull? Probably a deer. Kinda cool, kinda cool. Found my first morel in all these brush piles. Way down, tucked in between all that other stuff. Let's go! Heck yeah, look at that! Woo! Nice, she's a beaut, she's a beaut. Oh, little bug, get out of there. Scope out the area, because you know the rule. You find one, stop right there, don't move. There's more around. Way back in there, there's another one. Can you guys see it? Right here, there's another one way back in there. It's about 2 feet from the other one. Let's keep looking. Guys, I just changed out my GoPro battery. It died on me. And 1, 2. I seen another one somewhere. Oh, 3, 4. I'm starting to find them. I'm starting to find them. Let's go. Let's get these guys. Look at this go. Killing it. Dude, I could make a killing off these beef steaks. Dude, they're everywhere. Everywhere I look, underneath any pile of wood. There's more up there. Can't I find the morels like that? Just spotted another morel. And look. A beef. A beef. A morel right next to a beef. Morel. We literally got a morel and a beef steak growing right out the same pile of dirt. Heck yeah, let's go. Look at this guy hiding down here. Who does he think he is? He can't get away. Boom. It's been a few minutes since I found one, so that reboosts my confidence. Let's see if we can find any more right in this pile. Look at this little baby one. He's going home too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment below on some tips, and we'll see you in the next one.